Hey everyone, my name is Hikesha Karanya. Today we are going to see the 10th experiment. In this, there are two parts. The first part is about random forest model. In that, first we are going to read the CSV file. So first we are going to import the pandas library for data handling. Then we are going to read the CSV file and store it in a data frame DF. Then we are going to display the first five rows of the data set. In the second question, we are going to do the data pre-processing. In this question, we are going to import a new library called the label encoder, which is used to convert the text into numbers. Okay, then we are replacing the missing numerical values with the mean of the each column. Then we are creating a label encoder object. Then we are going to select all categorical, which means like text. Uh, uh, Text columns. Okay, then we are going to convert the categorical values into numerical values, and we are going to display the processed data. Okay, in the third question we are going to okay, we are going to we are going to do the feature selection. In this, we are first selecting the x values. The input values of x are uh, bill bill length bill depth flipper length body mass g. Okay, these are the x values and the y value is species. Okay, then we are printing the value header first five rows of the values of both x and y. Okay, then train test split. Okay, in this again we are going to uh, import a new library called train test split, which imports to split the datas. Okay, in this the split datas are a there will be 80 percentage of training and the 20 percentage of testing data. Okay, then we are going to print the size of training data. um, uh, we are going to print the size of X train shape, X tested shape, and Y train and Y tested shape. Then we are going to print the values of sample X train, sample Y train, and the sample X test and sample Y test values. Okay, on the basis of first five rows of for each, we are going to print it. Okay. In the fifth question, we are going to do the we are going to analyze the n estimators, which is 50 comma per 100, and the maximum depth is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, here first we are going to identify the number of trees in a forest. Then we are going to do the depth of each tree. Okay, based on that, we are going to print the outputs. In the sixth question, we are going to train the random forest model. So we are importing another new library called random forest classifier. Okay, then we are creating a list to store the models, and we are going to use a loop, so we can loop through all parameters of combinations. Okay, again we are going to create a model with specific parameters, and we are going to train the model. At the last, it will stores the model with its parameter. When it is successfully done, it will displays the particular sentence as a random forest model created successfully. Okay, in the seventh question, we are going to do the process of evaluation metrics. In this, we are importing the new libraries called accuracy score, precision score, recall score, and F1 score. These are the libraries which we are going to implement in new. as a evaluation matrix. Okay. Then at the next step, we are going to predict the output for test data, and we are going to calculate the values for accuracy, precision, and recall, and F1 score. Okay. These are the values. Then last in the final question is confusion matrix. In this, again, we are going to import a new library called confusion matrix. Here, the confusion matrix, it will generate the confusion matrix based on the previous, and it will finally displays the classification performance. Okay. Then the second part is add a boost. Okay, a model. In this model, we are going to first do the as which we have done in the previous question. Now again, we are going to read the data set, and we are going to print the first 5 rows. Then we are going to do the pre-processing method. Okay, then we are going to do the feature selection, and in the next question, we are going to train test split. We are going to do. Then in this question, the learning rate is considered as okay. This is the different question. The first four are same as before. In this from the fifth question, it is different. Okay. In this fifth question, we have to assign the n estimators, which is a 50 to 50, 10, and the learning rate is 0.01, 0, 1, 1.0. Okay, these are the values. Okay. Um, uh, the n estimators which is considered as number of weak learners. Then the learning rates is considered as it considered as control model learning speed. Okay, then based on that, we are going to print the output. Okay, then and the sixth question is we are going to train the adabot. Okay, in this we are again a new library is imported, which is called as adabot classifier. In this, we are going to create an empty list to store the model, and we are using the for loop to loop through the combination, and we are creating a model so that we can train the model based on that, and we are going to save the model. Okay. Then as before, we have done for the random forest. Here also we are going to do for the Ada booster for evaluation matrix. Okay, the accuracy score, precision score, recall score, F1 score. We also done for the previous part. Okay, as the same we are going to do for the same this question. Okay. And the confusion matrix is also same as before, which we have done for the random forest model. Okay. Thank you.